Okay, good afternoon. First of all, thanks to the management of MRCAS, excellent campus and great hospitality for the last 2 days. And I'm very happy that this institution and the management is very keen to develop students in many areas. The ultimate success of any institution lies in making good students pass out of the college campus who are good not only in academics but also in various disciplines of the course and also in extracurricular activities. In that way, the focus what your institution is giving is extremely important for the students, and I'm sure that students will make use of this opportunity during their stay in the campus. The last 2 days, I had an opportunity to interact with students on 7 habits of highly effective leaders, a book written by Stephen Covey. It was a quite interactive session, and we always believe that students should change their habits to become successful in any venture they take in the future. In that regards, this course was an eye-opener for them, and the inputs what they received, I'm sure, is going to help them in the long run. The 7 habits focused 3 on self, 3 on teams, and 1 on self-improvement or continuous improvement. And if all these 3 go together, the student can become a successful leader. It is difficult to change, it is difficult to transform, but as students, we have the opportunity to change. And I'm sure all the students who participated in this program for the last 2 days got benefited, and they'll make some significant change in the next 2 years when they graduate and go out of this college. Learning is important. At the same time, application of the principles is more important. And I'm sure the learnings in the last 2 days is going to help students a great way, not only in what they have learned, but also in what they can apply in their personal work and also in their professional career. So wishing the students all the best, and thanks to the team here, the entire management team, for having put this together, along with so many other programs what to do in this campus to make students an all-rounded personality. So thank you very much for the great hospitality. Thank you.